Tayo sa maraming pagsubok, sakit, moments na akala natin hindi tayo abot dito.
Aww.
Pero pinagdayo ng Diyos ng pagmamahal na may pananampalataya, kaya maghilom at magbigay ng panibagong simula. With patience, kindness, and understanding. Pipiliin kita araw-araw sa mabuti man o mahirap na panahon. At kasama mo, gusto kong buuin ang pamilya na nakasentro ang pagmamahal. At gabay.
Dear Joshua, it took me 25 years to even consider being in a relationship. For over almost 2 decades, my life was focused on building, growing, praying, waiting for the moment I'd be truly ready for God's timing. When you first walked into our church that one Sabbath, I'll be honest, I wasn't ready for you. It took 3 years of deep conversation with God before I finally felt brave enough to open my doors. Provider, my protector, and my priest. In return, I will continuously pray that I'll be your LLL, your listener, your lover, and your light. Joshua, from this day forward, I promise to love you exactly how God wants you to be loved.